How to fix Facebook page not recommendable. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, you have to launch your Facebook application. As you do so, make sure that you are also logged into your Facebook page and not your Facebook account. Once done, tap onto your username of your Facebook page. You will see a page like this. Tap on Professional Dashboard. And likewise, you will also see a search bar icon. If you tap onto it, you can type in anything. So tap onto it and type in page recommendation. Once done, you will see tools. At this section, tap on profile recommendation. And as you tap onto it, it will automatically be recommendable, and your Facebook pages will also be recommendable to other people as well. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.